Hey y'all, welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see what the Most High was out on the table today. We got Let Love Transform and Hand of Fatima. Okay, they both came out again. Got Hand of Fatima. Let love transform beyond the threshold of fear. A new gown. One. Merciful Mother. Jamal. This one came out in a pre-shuffle. Arise. The all-compassing hand. Compassing hand. Oh, was that star of Venus? Venus. There's a lot of cards that came out. They were blended. The card reblended with grace. She offers this sacred wine soaked drink. Divine discontent. The impossible made possible. All right. So, in a nutshell, I'm getting there's either a new path or a new romantic opportunity here that y'all are afraid to take, approach. I don't know why I heard even think about, but beyond the threshold of fear, there will be a new gown, right? Newness. Um, maybe a rise up in class somewhat. Whatever it is, it's what you've been looking for. And it's given to you by the universe, by the Most High. It's a gift, right? For, or it said merciful. So you may have went through a lot. Something to pick you up. And, you know, it's like a gift, a compassionate gift from the universe. The card arise and the all-compassing hand. Over here. Technically what it is. And then, oh, who's that start? Ooh. Okay. That's an omen. So here the Most High is giving you what it is that you deserve. I'm getting for some what it is that you wanted, what you manifested, and here you are soaking and what went wrong. And this could slip through your fingers. And I'm not saying, there won't be other opportunities, but the timing might not be as right. The light might not be as bright. You know what I mean? It says, resplendent with grace. So it's a gift again because of how I'm almost getting how you've handled it so far. You've been passing, I guess, life lessons with flying colors. And the universe is offering you this. She offers the sacred wine. So drink, right? Then to end with divine discontent. So, and this card feels heavy. So I feel like because of all you've been through, it's almost as if, I wouldn't say you gave up, but it's like you're too tired to get up and see what the gift is. That's almost what I'm getting, like exhausted and just depleted, and all the spark and funk is sucked out, right? There's maybe not energetically down, but like as far as the battery goes, right? Fatigue, um, just wanting to recharge. But if you recharge, and I'm getting soak, some of you are soaking. If you do that for too long, like the card like flipped out of my hand, you will fumble this, whatever this gift is. And I'm not saying there won't be other gifts, but it might not, the timing might not be as right. It might not be as bright, big, yeah, right. It's these lessons, right? It's for you to grow and to become wiser. Sorry guys, next time I'm gonna switch the light over to the other side, but right now it's good. Yeah, yeah. And I feel most of y'all know exactly what direction to go as well. Y'all know it's time to get up and get moving. But some of y'all keep telling yourselves, I can't. I'm too tired. I'm too this, I'm too that. And it's time to tell yourselves that you can. And you do have all the energy. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I have MS and I'm tired all the time. All the time. But, right, there is power in switching your mental. There literally comes power from switching that internal dialogue, right? I feel like this is Whatever the universe wants to give to you, I will take it. Okay? Don't miss don't miss out on something beautiful and something that's yours, right? Because of the strife and I don't know, anguish and the hardships you went through in the past. Not saying you can't rest, but when you rest too long and stay hidden for too long, it starts to smell like complacency, starts to look like giving up, and never that, right? Let's see if we can get some spirit messages. Call you back. This is at the bottom of the deck. Don't allow negative emotions to fester. If you are feeling frustrated, angry, or hurt, for example, just acknowledge that. Instead of fighting your feelings, go with them and work with them. Then true healing can really begin. I feel like this is fitting. I kept looking at the bottom of the deck, so I decided to read it. I feel like it's very fitting. Let's see if there's anything else that wants to come out here. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate. You need to pace yourself for the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive. Like I said, whatever is coming is positive. You want to take this. Bigger and better things are coming for you. Just relax and trust. And I feel like this one should end it. 3. Learn to ride the waves of life. When faced with difficult times, you can either fight against the current or go with it. Go ask yourself, what is to be gained by depleting your energy fighting against it? Don't do that to yourself. All three. All three. Okay? Match this reading perfectly. Combined, even better. I'm gonna hold them up so you can pause and read it. I don't know if you can really see it. The lighting being phenomenal. As I put it ass backwards, but hey, next time we'll do better. Ten. Duality, growth. We got 10. Growth. Angel whispers are spiritual awareness is opening you to all that are ready to see. No, I'm gonna do that over. Spiritual awareness is opening to all that you are ready to see. Your destiny is being fulfilled. Keep your intentions pure with your eyes looking ahead, and you will continue to increase the growth that is here. Right? Affirmation: the more I invest awareness in my growth, the closer I continuously become to the outcomes I am seeking. Wow. I'm gonna take this because it wanted to slide off. Duality. The angel whispers, within you are shadows of dark and beams of light. The divine is reminding you to embrace the duality that is your individual spark. The spark is being ignited and is ready to illuminate the path ahead. And then affirmation, I fully embrace who I am and allow change where it is needed. I trust the duality within me. Wow. It's about accepting and learning the lessons and owning it, all of it. This is to pause if you want to. This has been a beautiful reading. And it's really just about regaining strength and keep going. Because whatever is coming your way is something you would want. See, this might not show up, but hey, maybe this is better. Let's see, just if you didn't catch that, okay. Yeah. Is there anything else? Can sleep. Yeah, this is meant to happen. This is karma. This is all about lessons learning, growing, forgiving, and keeping on, right? Yeah. I feel like a lot of, I don't know if whoever I'm speaking to right now ever had a Kundalini awakening. But for those who have, and for those who haven't, you're about to have your first or another one. Now, this could be after, I'm getting after, right? 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. This is after completion. Do I have this awakening with this person? I don't know why this is significant enough for it to come out. Did it come out? Is there anything else? Creativity. Yeah. I feel like creativity came out because just as how you have been creative in going through these lessons, right? This school we call life, the rewards will come in just as creatively. Is that a word? Did I say that right? It will come in creative ways, these blessings, the way they will enter your life. I'm getting you won't expect it. Yeah, okay, that's it. It's something to enjoy. right? It's like right at a nice amusement park or something. Yeah, this is, you will love this. And it's straight from the divine, okay? Message from the divine. And it belongs to you and only you. Yeah. This has been an awesome reading, y'all. Embrace it. Embrace it, it's yours. All right. I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank y'all for joining me. This is the Mystic Kaleidoscope Tarot channel, and it has been a pleasure. See you soon.